को सुंदर दिखना इज देयर जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार। और क्यों ना हो, women are the most beautiful creature God has created on this planet. I'm sure all the males out there, you also agree to this, isn't it? So guys, today I'm going to share with you 5 secret womanly hacks that women follow to keep themselves well maintained and upgrade their natural beauty. So let's start. Tip number 1, removing dark circles. Dark circles spoils the beauty of a face. It takes away the glamour from your face. So how to get rid of the dark circles? The small secret is take a tea bag, use tea bag and put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. And once the tea bag is cold enough, press it on your eyes and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, see the difference. After dark circles guys, and you look fresh like a bird. Hack number 2, for promoting eyelashes. Eyelashes जितनी बड़ी और घनी हो उतनी ही आंखें सुंदर दिखती हैं। So इसका सीक्रेट क्या है? To increase voluminous eyelashes, apply castor oil regularly on your eye. At least हफ्ते में 3 बार castor oil लगाइए and leave it overnight. And the next day, wash off your eyes or your face as well with some good face wash. आप देखिए आपके eyelashes घने हो जाते हैं. And not only that, you could also apply it in your areas of eyebrows. That will help you to dense your eyebrow and your eyelashes. Hack number 3, for removing blackheads. Blackheads, especially in the nose area होते हैं, even on your face हम लोग को blackheads हो जाता है. So how do we get rid of that? The secret to that is take a teaspoon of honey, besan and coffee. Mix it gently and make a good scrub out of it and apply that scrub on your face. Keep it for 15-20 minutes. Alternatively, you could also use चावल का powder. अगर आपके पास घर में बेसन नहीं है तो use चावल का powder, honey and coffee. Blend it well. आधी चम्मच coffee, 1 teaspoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend it well, make a nice scrub of it and apply it on your face. Leave it for half an hour to 45 minutes and wash your face gently with lukewarm water to get that healthy glowing skin on your face. Hack number 4, for voluminous hair. हर लेडी की सुंदरता होती है उसकी हेयर, चाहे वो बड़ा हो या छोटा हो. All ladies want voluminous hair. और ये हम कैसे ला सकते हैं? The secret hack is that जो भी oil आप use करते हो, preferably I would suggest use almond oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of castor oil. Blend it well with your mixture, blend it well and apply it on your scalp and leave it overnight. And next day wash off your hair. At least repeat this process twice a month. This will not only give rise to your new hair but will also increase the volume of your hair. Do this for at least 3 months. Hack number 5, for smooth feet. हमें लगता है कि शायद कोई हमारे पाँव को और नहीं कर रहा है because we have decked up very well, हमारा चेहरा सुंदर है, हमने कपड़े अच्छे पहन लिए, but no, people also observe the feet. और एक कहावत है कि एक लेडी का पाँव देख के आप उसके बारे में काफी कुछ अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं. So to maintain that soft, smoothie and advertisement type of feet जो हम देखते हैं, what is the secret hack to that? Apply petroleum jelly with aloe vera gel and apply in generous quantity and leave it overnight by wearing a socks. लगाने के बाद आप socks पहन लीजिए and keep it overnight and next day wash off your feet by gently scrubbing it with a scrubber. देखिए आपके पाँव कैसे कोमल हो जाते हैं. फिर सामने वाले भी बोलेंगे कि अपने पाँव जमीन पर मत रखिए, मैले हो जाएंगे. बाल तो आपने बढ़ा लिए बट स्प्लिट एंड्स काफी होते हैं, चाहे छोटे बाल में हो या बड़े बाल में. टेक एलोवेरा जेल एंड हनी एंड यूजुअली हमारे स्प्लिट एंड्स होते हैं at the lower portion, so apply that in moderate quantity and leave it overnight. रात भर आप रख दीजिए एंड नेक्स्ट डे वॉश ऑफ योर हेयर. यू विल सी आपके स्प्लिट एंड्स ड्राई. प्रैक्टिस दिस एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 times a month. एंड द लास्ट टिप फॉर अ स्मूथ लिप्स, आप जितना भी लिपस्टिक लगा लें, बट इफ योर लिप्स आर चैप्ड, वो दिख के आएगा ही आएगा. योर ड्राई एंड चैप्ड लिप्स. So the secret to maintain a soft and plump lip is to apply a scrub. Again, spoon of honey and mix coffee with that and apply it on your lips. Leave it overnight. या तो आप आधा एक घंटा रख दीजिए अपने lips पे and then wash off your lips to get that soft plumpy lips. And this honey, applying honey also helps in retaining the color of your lips. काफी जन के लिप्स थोड़े ब्लैकिश होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप रेगुलर हनी भी लगाएंगे without mixing in coffee, it will help you to retain the natural color of your lips, which is usually reddish or pinkish. तो guys, ये थे हमारे secret womanly hacks which helps in beautifying our beauty naturally. And do let me know आप क्या content और देखना चाहेंगे. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. Until then, आप खुश रहिए and चुस्त रहिए. I'll see you soon. Love you all. Adios.